guys, welcome back to my new video. So today I'll be reviewing like 4 items at one go since quite late to Geats toys update in general. So just gonna one shot this so we can make the videos fast. Then yeah, somewhat like that. Just gonna speed everything through so it's easier. So yeah, for today's review we have the Geats race buckle sets 1 to 3. They don't really put the numbers, but 1 to 3, and then also the P Bandai ID core set. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to looking at the boxes. So starting with the P Bandai rider core set. So basically this is the box art for the front, then the back, which is your mission field ID cores. So we'll take a look at them. So yeah, it's as you know, Yamato Buffer. We'll get to the Yamato buckle review exact. So yeah, then the top, it just tells you about getting your ID core becomes a rider and your memories and blah blah blah. Bottom, side, and yeah. So in this set you get Shiro, Jinpen, Dapan, Mary, Revi, and Keiro. Yep, plus the 3 cracked ID cores. So why they put Revi here? Because for Vice's ID core it's a movie exclusive, so it's kinda hard to get now. So yeah, and the price for it is like really disgusting, so it's just market price. So yeah, that's for this ID core box. So next up for the boxes, we have the race buckle sets. So the first set would be your shield and arrow. They're quite hard to find now technically. Yep, so this is how the front looks like, and then the back, the side. So yeah, it comes with arrow and shield. Yeah. So the second side, I believe it was claw in chainsaw, chain array. Chain array? I think it's chain array. Oops. Yeah. So same thing. Then last, the propeller and drill set. So yeah, that's it for the box arts. Very simple, clean, small. Yeah, for storage purpose, quite small to keep, so which is good. I hope they come out with more arm sets soon, cause yeah, kind of getting bored of these guys. So yeah, next for the boxes. So first, let's take a look at our ID cores. So they're actually pretty nice. Translucent white, translucent colored. Yeah. So here's a look at Shiro's core. Nice blue. And then Jinpan, which is a penguin based, black and white, very standard. Followed by Dapan. So I believe Dapan and Shiro's colors are based off the same color as Geats one. So yeah, we have a lot of riders, so reusing them is kind of like usual. Next is Mary, which is pink and black, looks nice. And then my favorite, Revi, like the pink strikes off really nicely with the blue. Yep. And then Keiro. And then now we have the crack cores. So the great thing about the crack cores is, right, like the scratches, right, is like let's say molded in kind of way. I don't know if you can tell. Like it's really nicely detailed. See? It's really nice. Loving the design. Like kind of worth for what you get and what you pay for. Yeah. So as you know, all the ID cores works into the driver the usual way. So I'll just speed run through later, and yeah, that's for the ID cores. So up next we have our race buckle sets. Really nicely designed, very plain and simple. So yeah. So the best thing about these race buckles, right? So no matter which side you slot into the driver, it doesn't look awkwardly asymmetrical. So they're designed based off very symmetrical. So yeah, we'll do it more in the review later. So this is shield, nice blue. Focus. Yep. So how you trigger it is just pressing the button. Very simple. Button. Next you have arrow, our favorite cursed item. So it's just pulling. Very nice green. The code. Then we have claw. Same thing, just pull. then chain array. So most of the gimmicks, right, are like the feel. It's either like you push the button, you slide it, or like propeller, you just turn it. Like, kind of cool lah. Like they try to make it simple and minimal, which is I love it. So yes. So without further ado, let's get on to the real review of the sounds and stuff. So without further ado, let's just get on to the review. Yep. So I'm just gonna insert ID calls to show you all how it looks like on the driver. So let's go. So we'll Shiro first. Not sure you can tell, but yeah, it looks nicely. Then Jinpen. Finally, buffer cracked. Buffer was really looking nice with the crack and stuff. I'm loving it. I'm so sorry. I'm just biased, okay? I'm sorry. So since we have a lot of ID calls to use, I'm just gonna use Revive because I love the color. Yep. So without further ado, let's get on to the race buckles review. So we'll start with Arrow first. So that you pull the trigger. Then pull the same thing for finisher. So now we'll move on to Shield. Then again for the finisher. So for dual on, just for showcase, looks literally symmetrical. Yep, that's how it looks. And for shield the other way around. Yep, so that's for the first set. Second set will be claw and chain array. So let's go. That's the claw. Then we'll go to chain array. So yeah, then if you all see chain array the other side. So let's just use a cat call for like display purposes. So let's go with Jimpeng. You can see the crack. Give me a moment there. Okay. Yeah, finally with propeller and a drill. So let's go with propeller first. Then finally drill. Yep, that's how it sounds. Then for symmetrical purposes. So it, then for drill on the other side. Yeah, all nicely done with the buckles. So yep, that's about it for the buckles and ID calls. And since I reviewed the driver before, which means I have Magnum and Zombie reviewed, so let's just end it off with Shiro and Buffer call on how they look like. So the pan uses Magnum. Okay, that's it for the pan. Next is Buffer. I know I haven't reviewed Yamato yet, so we'll just do it with the zombie first. And then we'll do the proper one soon. Then zombie. And so with that, we come to the end of the video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and do comment down below to tell us what you guys want to see next. So see you guys next time. Bye.